Check out the new seat, dude.
No.
It's really lightweight, yeah. What's up, guys? I've gotten myself into a little bit of a pickle here because I sold my Vader seats for the E36. I've been talking about doing this for a long time, but I decided to pull the trigger on a nice set of racing seats, which you guys will see in a future video in maybe the next week or so. But in the meantime, I now have a car that's immobile, and if we need to move this car, it's very, very challenging. So today I've got something in mind that might be a little bit unorthodox, might be a little bit weird. I've actually never seen anyone do this. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a bicycle seat into my E36. Stay tuned. Meanwhile, while my E36 doesn't have seats, I brought my E46 to my buddy's shop for a couple things. So, I'm actually driving Justin's truck around. You ready? You like my new rig?
Huh?
You like my new rig?
Be interesting to see how this thing drives now.
It drives pretty good. Oh man. Yeah. This is our new seat.
Cycle Quest coming through in a pinch. We got us a new seat, boys.
Let's do it.
We did find some aluminum tubing that we had here that we used for some water line a long time ago. What's really nice about this, it's a good diameter for the seat post. So we're just gonna build a tube that mounts to the rear of the floor pan. We'll go ahead and weld a little extension onto here. Our seat will then slide into here. And Beckerman will have a bike seat in his E36. Weld this to here.
I might just rock this, dude. It's really safe, I think.
It's really comfortable.
It's going to be.
How do you run a seatbelt?
You can't run a seatbelt.
Racing spec, dude.
Yeah, lightweight.
It's just clearance this out. I'll just take it through the thing and cut. Being that we're not too worried about strength or you dying right now.
No.
We're building this with the utmost precision.
This is going to be high quality racing seat. But I've never seen anyone do this, and there's probably a reason for that. Yeah, well, actually, there's about 100 reasons for doing this, but this is fun.
Probably 100 reasons why you shouldn't be doing this.
And there's 100 reasons why you should. Perfect, dude. Put that that top cut on is so that we have access to now drill a hole in the bottom.
And it gives us access to put a socket in here and all that stuff.
Yeah. It's gonna work. That was a good idea with that single bar. Solid?
This is gonna be tricky because
we don't know exactly how high we want the seat yet, so we're gonna try to mock this up. We'll see how trick we can make this.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and test fit the seat and the height right now. So I don't know how we're really gonna do this because it's kind of,
this baby is not that comfortable. Oh!
The seat post can actually move this way and this way a little bit. So,
but maybe if I get like, you know, like a driving position almost, from what I just saw, something like this, I believe.
I don't like it.
Why? But I believe
Can you get into like where you would be?
Trying.
Like lengthwise?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
It needs to be, it basically needs to be like here then.
All right, what we're gonna do now, Mickey's going to mark and cut off seat post. We don't need this super long seat post anymore because we're sitting really low. And we might even have to cut it further. But once we cut that, we'll be able to get a better positioning on where this little upright is going to be that houses the whole seat. So we're almost there. So we're thinking it's gonna be something like this, and we're gonna notch the bottom and we'll probably put this at a slight angle so that it's facing forward a little bit, right? Look at how stupid that looks. It's so funny. Oh, just a good job, Mick. Mickey put this nice notch in here because, yeah, this is gonna bring this forward like this, back, something like that. And then the seat we'll bolt to that. So the only thing we don't know just yet is the height of this. The next step, put this in the center, get a nice location on this, and then I'm gonna TIG weld that whole seam there, and we'll make this thing one piece. We can't go lower, but we can go higher.
No, we're gonna go lower.
We are gonna go lower.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to try to sit on it while you?
You can. Test fit number 2.
It's pretty good.
Is that too high? Keep in mind, it's gonna go down.
It is high.
It's too high.
But not that.
It's like an inch?
Yeah, like an inch or.
Hold on. Let me mark it.
All right. Not the most beautiful thing, but it'll do the trick. So we're gonna let this cool down, and we'll test fit our seat in there. And if we need to make this shorter, which we probably will, right? We'll cut it down. All right. Looks a little low, brother. This is just gonna be so uncomfortable.
All right, so here we have our masterpiece. It's a single piece unit, all welded up.
Damn, look at them welds though. Woo!
I didn't know Ray Charles worked here.
Just a 2-bolt configuration, bolt-in kit. We're selling these for the E36,
Soon to be available on throtl.com.
There you have it.
That is a solid seat right there.
Solid seat right there.
Send it.
Let's do a cool little cinematic of the seat. It is really solid.
You can go more.
It's super clean. Imagine if someone pulls up to a car show and they step out. Calvin, come here. Let me hop in. Dude, this is gonna be so hard to drive.
This is like,
Tej, come here.
this is 300 IQ, honestly. Like,
300, next level.
let me just put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, put the seatbelt.
I'm
Perfect.
safe. Perfectly fine.
Look at that. And how solid is it?
It's, I mean, you bolted it down, so it's solid.
It's solid, dude. TIG welded construction. Tej, you wanna try?
What?
Take a seat.
You should put a little.
Imagine if someone pulls up to a car show and they just hop out.
I would be like, why did you drive all the way over here? With
Serena, come here. Take a seat. It's comfy.
Yeah, pop a squat in there, Tej.
Did that? It's pretty
Yeah.
Quality, dude.
What is it?
It's a bicycle.
It's up, you're kidding.
I'm not kidding.
You're joking.
He's floating.
You're kidding. What the
Dude, you have to see how good of a job it
Wait, you're not
You
leaving?
pushed against it.
What do you have to?
That's what
You
we
have to,
need.
pull, you have to pull on the wheel.
You have to like pull on the wheel.
I told him he needs to get a.
Well, we're gonna go out for a test drive.
Dude, if you when you step on it, you're gonna fly off the seat.
Yes, one for the passenger too.
No, we're just doing a single.
Wait, that's permanent?
Yeah, look, it's pulled.
A
Look.
permanent bicycle.
Here, hop out, see, so she can see.
No, oh my god. Wait, why are we doing this?
Because I sold my seats.
You're gonna.
Are you actually gonna drive this home?
back in it? You're not.
I'm gonna go drive it
You're
outside.
gonna go. Oh my.
Rick, take a seat, dude.
Oh, it's gonna be real tough to shift because you kind of
You gotta pull on the steering.
like hitting the brakes. You like.
Never realized how much you actually.
This is so weird.
Right hand down hard.
About one of the weirdest things that I've ever driven.
If any of these people even knew you're actually sitting on a bicycle seat right now,
I have to lean forward.
you definitely.
You have to because you can't lean back. Check out my racing seat.
Woo, that's badass. Money.
Oh, that is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Can we go out for a drive?
You can.
No, you hop in the back seat.
Oh, thank you, chauffeur.
Yeah.
Just gonna get in the back seat. Oh, it's kind of nice. Kind of nice back here. Stretch out. Oh, brother. Evan, what? Look at this shot. This looks like a pole going up your ass. All the footwork, though.
But I'm pulling back on the steering wheel.
Yeah, you're like supporting your weight, your upper body with the steering wheel.
Full core exercise right now. It's so
Hey, can you do some sit-ups while you're at it?
Oh, you know what? Hold on. I was just doing it wrong. I gotta move forward on the seat, lean it back.
Oh, now it looks normal.
Dude.
Way easier.
Way easier.
Looks like you're still supporting your weight with your left arm, though.
Yeah.
You have to, right? Can you modulate the throttle or no?
Yeah. You gotta pull back. Oh. I can drive home. How's the back seat, Junior?
Oh yeah, it's way comfy back here.
Nice.
Just-
Look at that leg room, dude. Look at that.
just straight up. So the question is, could you daily it like this?
I think if it had a seat back, you might be able to.
A seat back.
Like the back of the
Because
seat.
this arch in your lower back isn't normal, Ev?
Yeah, it's definitely not ergonomic because, you know, when you drive, I guess you don't realize how much you push back, especially when you push the throttle down.
Yeah,
You're really pushing back.
you rely on the
For
back
me
of the
right
seat.
now, my left hand is holding me in place. If I were to let go, like, I would
Yeah,
fall back.
your abs are gonna give up.
Or Dustin Williams, you can do that.
I don't know.
Let's roll by Dustin's and see if he's there.
Look at that lineup, though.
Check out the new seat, dude. Just drove around the block.
No.
It's really lightweight, yeah.
Oh, what's a minute?
Take a seat.
To go straight up my butt.
This is gonna go viral in cycling. I'm not kidding.
When cycling is life.
Not too bad, right? It's a good engagement of your core.
Take an LA trip like this.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Now before we end the video, I have to just very clearly say this was all for just fun. This was all just a joke. Please, no one go ahead and do this. It is not safe. You don't want to drive your car like this. We're just literally going right around the neighborhood from here just on a little test drive. So please, don't do this at home, but it is really funny. And I think if you were in dire straits, you could whip up a seat. Maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour that took us to do. And Mickey and I had fun doing it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for a lot more content almost every single day. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.